Today guys, I show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, first you need to do, just go like me on taskbar, go right click and click here Task Manager. Open it and move here to Startup and make sure you disable all these startups. What you don't need, I show you example, Roblox game client enable, just go here disable. And do the same for all apps that you don't need. After you disable like me, you will see your processor has less use. You can now close this, press Windows button and save update. Check for updates, do system update and go here check for updates. Download updates and update your system. If you need to restart your PC, you will see here, just restart your PC. After you finish update and restart your PC, you will see like this, you're up to date, you can close this now. Press Windows button and type like me system configuration and you will see like this, open it and move here on boot and move advanced options and you will see here number of processors. Check this and choose maximum like me. Do OK and apply. Go OK, restart your PC. After you restart your PC, you will see your CPU usage is much lower. If you still have high usage, move here on process and click here on CPU. And you will see most high usage app that use your CPU. You can end this task now. If you see something you don't want, just click on it and go end task. And that will also realize CPU usage. I show you one more bonus thing for gaming. Press Windows button and type like me game mode. And you will see game mode settings. Open it. If you have this on, just switch it off. And also here, game bar, make sure it's off. After doing all these settings like me, open Task Manager and check your CPU usage now. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix CPU usage on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.